Hey guys, in this video I'm going to take you through the details of how we turned our very messy laundry room into a nice, organized space that I can actually use. And at the end, I'll post some photos of what this laundry room used to look like. So this is a table that my sweet husband built for me. After he built it, all I did was sand it and stained it in the color pickled oak. I don't remember the brand of the stain, but I do remember I bought it at Lowe's. This little jar I bought at Goodwill, and the greenery I already had at hand, and I bought that at Hobby Lobby. I also bought this jar at Goodwill, and I just love how the clothespins look in it. Now the two bottles that are behind it I bought at Ross for $3 each, I believe, and I just keep my detergent and fabric softener in them so that I don't have to see the original containers they come in on the table all the time. That round thing that everything is sitting on, I bought that at Ross as well, and it's sort of like a lazy Susan. It's very convenient. We decided to add Backsplash to our laundry room, and I love how it turned out. I just think it's so pretty. This rod that's under the cabinet is actually a curtain rod that we purchased at Walmart, but I thought it was perfect for hanging clothes that I don't want to put in the dryer, so that it can dry on there instead. This metal container I bought at Ross. It's actually meant for outdoor gardening, but I thought it was perfect for a catch-all and for socks that don't have partners. So this cabinet we purchased at Lowe's. Now I don't remember the exact price of it, however I do remember it was under $100. So inside my cabinet I store my floor cleaners, extra cleaning supplies, my vacuum attachments, the tools that I use on a regular basis like my hammer, my nails, my measuring tape, my favorite paintbrush. So those baskets in there I actually purchased a while back at TJ Maxx, and I just love how this turned out. And we stained this cabinet the same color as the table, and the hardware we also purchased at Lowe's. I just think it's so pretty. I love it. At the top of my washing machine, I stored the heavier things like extra laundry detergent, fabric softener, extra cleaning supplies. I purchased those wire baskets a while back at TJ Maxx. We also replaced our old light fixture with a can light. And my daughter actually helped me organize all my soaps and lotions in rainbow color, and it looks so pretty. I purchased that rack at Ross. What inspired me to redo our little laundry room was this washer and dryer. We went with the stackable ones because that's just what made more sense for our tiny little laundry room, and I love them so much. This is actually the first time I ever owned brand new washer and dryer. I love it. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I forgot to mention earlier, there's actually a space in my laundry room that's not fully finished. That's why I purchased 2 fabric shower liners from Walmart. I just made sure they weren't see-through and they were very inexpensive. So it's this space right here. It's right behind my door. It's convenient and inconvenient at the same time. So I figured I would hang these curtains from something that's attached to the ceiling and just have it cover all of that mess right there. I recently found that cute little laundry sign in the Target bullseye section for $5. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope I've inspired you to organize a space in your home that makes you feel more at peace. Thank you so much for watching.